All right, you all, we got some awesome watch faces for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now, this one here, again, is by my man, AS. Also, one more time, these should be free in the Gear Manager store. Now, I'm not for certain. Give it a shot. If it is, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know that these watch faces are still free so I can alert others. With that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick this one off. The name of the watch face is called SportRedAction. I thought the developer did a really good job with the simplicity of this one, but yet he added step status info, which a lot of people are looking for in watch faces. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look as you would when the watch face is on. So up at the top, as you can see, you got your step info. To the left, you got your miles walked or ran, floors climbed. To the right, dead center, you get a nice legible digital time. You come down, you get calories burned, your battery info, and also your heart rate. So I thought this was a good look. You need not tap into anything because everything is up forward, so you can see it at a glance with no problem. But if you need to go in, you can tap and go into your step status info, calories burned, floors climbed, water intake, things of that nature. You could do the same thing for your battery info, your heart rate, and your steps. So all in all, for a free watch face, this is definitely worth the download. All right, you all, we got 2 more watch faces to check out. So let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Minimal Active. This one here is nice. I like the simplicity. This is probably the best one out of all 3 that I like. Now, in the AOD mode, you will be getting a nice digital time. Pretty much it's going to look the same. And once you cut the watch face on, here's what you're going to be greeted with. You still got this red and black theme. It's digital, but yet it still looks nice and bold, stacked. And you also going to get your date, your battery info, and what's most important to many people is also your steps. Now, you cannot go into it. It is not interactive or anything like that, but your steps are up front. So if you want to keep up with that, then this is going to be the watch face that you want to download. All right, you all, that's it for watch face number 2. Let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3 is called Sport Minimal Light. AS got down on this one. Also, if you're into fitness, this is the perfect watch face for you all to download. Remember, download ASAP because I do not know how long these watch faces are going to be free. Now, I thought my man did a really good job with the look and the info that's within this watch face. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look, same color, same theme. Once you look at this watch face, at the top, you're going to get your battery info. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your step info. And in the middle, you're going to get your stacked digital time, which I love, right? Now, I like the layout of your step status info. You're going to get, of course, battery info, heart rate, miles walked or ran, calories burned, floors climbed, and again down at the bottom it's going to be your steps. Now, if I tap right here, the watch face is inactive to a degree, so whatever you need so far as just step info is concerned, it's right here. And if I tap over here, I can pull up my calendar, and somewhere over here I can pull up my settings and tweak my watch however I see fit. Again, I thought the developer did a beautiful job with this pixelated watch face, digital with that. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.